Hello, good morning, Professor and everyone. We are from Kodak wants to present our final project report with title Text Message Classification. First, let me introduce myself. My name is M. Thalut Nadhil.
And my name is Muhammad Fatih.
And my name is Reza Adipatria M.
Okay, let us continue to our dataset. The dataset that we use is in this final project is a source message service. In our dataset, there are 4 columns. That is SMS, clean SMS, target label, and target name. And then each column consists 1,142 rows. For the SMS is a raw text message. Clean SMS is a normalized text message by removing its punctuations, stop words, stem, and tokenize it using library named Sastrawi that clean text from Bahasa Indonesia. The target level represent 3 level. They are normal, scam, and offers. Normal means normal communication between people to other people. Scams mean there are misleading words inside the scams means there are misleading words inside the message and it's trying to deceive and trick the receiver. And the last one is offers. Offers is a difference than scam. Offers message usually provided by big companies that offer their customer to buy their product. To buy their product. Then the last one is target name, the name of the text message category, which are normal, scam, and offer. For the application purposes, this application was built to help people for classifying their message into 3 classes. That is normal text message, scam text message, and offer text message, so that the user will know what type of text message that they get. And then the scenario, after the start, the user input in Bahasa, and then pre-process users inputs and predicting the class. After that, translating to the user's desired language, and then the text output translation result and predicted class.
And then these are AWS Console that we use. The first is AWS IAM, which is Identity and Access Management. We're using this for creating role that will be used later in the AWS Lambda. And then we're using Boto3. We're using Boto3 so we can call AWS Translate from our Python code. And then we use AWS Lambda to run our translation code. And then we use AWS API Gateway to make sure our translation code can be called from AWS EC2. And then last, we use AWS EC2 to deploy our model to the cloud and call our translation code via API call.
And now we are in the deployment stage. The first one is we create a role in AWS IAM, and the role is created so we can launch Lambda function, and then we create a Lambda function with AWS Lambda. The Lambda function that is created is used to translate the predicted class of the text message and the text message itself to the user's desired language. And then the third one is that we create an API using AWS API Gateway so that we can call the translation code using our EC2 server. And then the last one is we create a server and deploy our prediction model into AWS EC2. And then after we predict the input, we can use our previous API, that is the translation code, and we can translate the predicted class and the original message. And we are using AWS EC2 and we are using Ubuntu server to deploy our model. And then for the application, this is the finished application, and we can use we can input our selected language to translate to and our message that is in Indonesian.
The next one is we're testing the application.
Critics and suggestion, we get two advice from two groups. The first one is it would be great if we can use the use values for the input data, and the second one is the job was done well, but I have suggestion. I think that it would be better if the input data is from some language. Well, our response is thank you for the advice, but because of our dataset only contains the language Bahasa Indonesia and our text normalization using a library named Sastrawi that clean text from Bahasa Indonesia, we are afraid that if we were using another language as the input and we translate it into Bahasa Indonesia using AWS translation, the sentence will be lost in translation or has a different meaning, so it will be misclassified. And the conclusion, using the Amazon Web Service to develop our application really do help us a lot because we don't have to use our own resource, especially the translation method and the deployment, and the AWS can handle it all. We did a good job in our application. We hope that it will be reliable to help people knowing their message is fraud or offer or it's just a normal text message. Yeah, this is a photo of our meetings, and this is our personal comments with the important link.
And then we will proceed to try the application.
Okay, this is the demonstration of our application. First, we select language to English, and then we type the message. In here, I type, "Hello, my name is Timo," submit, and then this is the output. The language is English for the output, and message is, "Hello, my name is Timo," and the prediction is normal. This is the normal communication between two people. And then the second one is we choose English language and type the message, submit, and then this is the output. The message is, "Congratulations on you getting a gift from whatsapp.com with check," and then this link. It's a scam because obviously it's a scam because WhatsApp will never give a gift to their customer using free blogspot.com link. That looks really fishy. And the last one is for the offer class. We select language to English again and type the message. Ayo beli barang di Tokopedia means let's buy stuff at Tokopedia. This, yeah, it has a offers class. Different from the scam, offers tends to invite their customer or related person to buy their products. I think that's all for our presentation. Thank you for your attention, Professor. Good morning.